Hey Girl Scouts, it's pop singer-songwriter Kristina Lachaga, the girl with the big pink heart, and I am so excited because I'm here with our next special guest. So Girl Scouts, she is actually 9 years old. Who's 9 years old? If you're 9 years old, make sure you comment in the chat because she is exactly your age and she is a Girl Scout, a junior Girl Scout, and we are so excited to have her here. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Lily Arispe. Oh my gosh, hi Lily.
Hi.
I am so excited to have you here and joining us as
Me
a special
too.
guest for our cookie rally. Yay! So, Lily, you have to tell us a little bit about yourself. So, I heard you're an amazing artist who uses STEM to create incredible wearable art. So, tell us more about it.
So, I have 3D printed earrings on. I don't know if
Oh
you
my
can see them.
gosh, they're so cute.
Um, and I'm wearing elephants today.
Oh, I love it. That's so cute.
So, I'm homeschooled and I started my business at 8 and now I'm 9.
And tell us, what is your business called?
Lilypadprints.com is
Oh,
our website, and then it's called Lilypad Prints.
oh my gosh. So you create printable, well, you create printed earrings, 3D printed earrings. That's amazing. And what inspired you to start your business? I mean, that's so incredible. I mean, I before I even let you answer that, I saw you on TV doing an interview. I mean, you are
Yeah.
big time, Lily. You are amazing. So I want to hear what inspired you to create your business.
Well, what inspired me was I saw my dad doing his 3D printed like little miniature figures because he likes playing like D&D adventure, that kind of games.
Oh, cool.
And so I was like, the 3D printer can do pretty much anything. Why can't it do earrings?
I love it. That's so amazing. What was the first pair of earrings that you printed?
I think it was Tree of Life.
That's so cool. Oh my gosh. And how many different designs do you have?
Probably over 100.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible. Well, you know what? I don't have my ears pierced, but when I do get them pierced, I'll have to have a pair of Lilypad Prints earrings on. Maybe
They're
some
actually very light. Like
they're very light. Okay.
sometimes when they hit my neck, I'm like, what's that? Oh, it's my earrings.
Yeah, it's like, oh, what is that? So you started your business when you were just 9 years old. That's incredible. Many of our Girl Scouts that are attending Cookie Rally right now are your age. That's amazing. So, how did you start a business when you were just 8 years old? Did you have parents? Your parents help? Was it your idea? How did it happen?
Kind of my idea. My mom and dad kind of helped me a little bit with so I started out with my dad's printer.
Okay.
And then I started selling at Market Street and stuff,
Oh, cool. Okay.
which Market Street actually closes down the street from, was it October to November? I think it was.
Wow. That's cool. So you
May to
started.
October. May to October. Closes it on Fridays,
Mhm.
Saturdays, and Sundays.
Okay.
So people can come get a beer, pizza. There's actually a pizza place that is called Thirsty Souls. It's very good.
Oh, that sounds good. I'll have to try it.
Yeah. We sell our earrings down there because they let booths and like small business owners that are local. You just have to get in touch with a lady, and they'll let you. She'll see if she has a spot for you. Then, if she does, you can sign up for that day.
Yeah. That's incredible. And you know what? That kind of reminds me of when Girl Scouts sell cookies at their cookie booths. Because when you sell cookies, sometimes you'll go in front of a store, or for Girl Scouts that are living on the army bases around the world, on your army base. So that's so cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. You are destined to be a Girl Scout. You're so ready for cookie season. It's perfect. That's amazing. So, what was the spark that led you to create Lilypad Prints? Was it because you saw that printer, or was it because you wanted your own earrings?
Well, I had my earrings. I liked wearing big earrings, but I stopped wearing them because they pulled on my ears
Yeah.
and they would stretch out my holes, which I didn't want that. So I thought, like I said before, I thought the 3D printer can do pretty much anything. Why can't it do earrings? And I printed our first pair and I tried them on and I was like, these are big, but still really
Like,
nice, like light.
and that's exactly what a lot of entrepreneurs, which entrepreneurs are people who start their own businesses. A lot of people are solving a problem, and Lily did exactly that, right? You were like, I want big earrings, but I don't want them heavy, and so what can I do to solve that and create my own business? And you did just that. That's amazing. I love it. So have you ever encountered any challenges or obstacles because maybe people think you're really young or because you're a girl? What are things that you faced that, and how did you overcome them?
So sometimes people like treat me like, oh, you're so cute. Oh, let's go over here and see her. And because
Yeah.
I'm so little and young, and sometimes they talk to my parents, which is frustrating. So I'm like, give it to me.
Exactly. Exactly, because you're the business owner. You're the businesswoman. Exactly. No, I totally get it. So what did you do to solve those problems?
Well, I just breathe and calm down.
I love
Sometimes
it. And you know what?
frustrating.
No, that's perfect. And that totally, totally understandable. And I'm sure there
Yeah.
are a lot of Girl Scouts on here that have faced that. Like sometimes I know even with me, a lot of people think I'm like younger than I am. And so it's kind of like, wow, I want to be treated with the same respect, and like that, if you were, 25, you're the same. It's the same thing. You still have a business, and you want to everyone just say, "Hi, Lily. I'd love to buy some earrings. Those are so cool," and have the same experience. I love
Yeah.
it. Exactly. That's amazing. No, that's great. I love that you're just like, that's great advice. If you're ever frustrated, that's perfect. Okay, so that's amazing advice for all of our Girl Scouts of how to climb with courage no matter what obstacle you're facing. So I love it. So I heard that you are a brand new Girl Scout. You're a junior. That's
Mhm.
exciting. So what are you looking forward to with Girl Scouts coming up?
I'm looking forward to the adventures and selling Girl Scout cookies and all of that stuff.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait. You'll have to send me pictures. Send us all
Yes,
pictures so we can see you
yes,
in action as a Girl Scout. That's
yes.
amazing. And do you have a favorite Girl Scout cookie?
I've never tried them.
Oh my gosh!
Tried one.
We'll have to send you some. So,
I'm
there's
looking
actually this
forward
cookie.
to
What?
get some. I'm looking forward to try some.
Yes, you'll love them. You'll love them. What was the cookie that you want to try?
Um, Toffee-tastic.
Oh my gosh. And did you say it was gluten free?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you'll love it. That's so good. I love the Toffee Tastic, and I cannot wait for you to try the new Adventurefuls one because that's our brand new cookie for cookie season 2022. And Adventurefuls are perfect for you because you are on a brand new adventure with Girl Scouts. And oh my gosh, you are continuing your adventure with Lilypad Prints with your earring company, and we can't wait to see where your heartstream takes you. So, Adventurefuls are the cookie for you, and Toffee Tastic is gluten free. That's amazing. Okay, so one last question, and then we will get to our special clue from Lily. So, everyone, get your worksheet out, and we'll get this question, and then we'll get that clue. Ready? Here we go. So I know that you love using your superpowers for good. So with Lilypad Prints, with each sale from your earrings at shops, I heard you make a donation. So can you tell us a little bit more about your charitable work with Lilypad Prints?
Yeah. So I take $1 out of every earring and I give it to two places. One of them is called the Shepherd's Place, the
Okay.
Shepherd's house, and it helps women in need. that are getting out of jail or stuff like that.
That's amazing.
And the other one helps feed children.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Girl Scouts, when you are selling your Girl Scout cookies this year, make sure you think about what your troop or your overseas community can do with your Girl Scout cookie money and see what you can do to help your community or help different causes that are important to you, just like Lily did. And that's amazing. So we love that you're doing that. Okay, so Lily, what makes you want to give back and donate to those causes?
Well, I feel like I should help the community, and I just have a heart, and I feel like I should help the community. Yeah, you're the girl with the big pink heart.
I know. That's what I was like. I love what you're doing. It's amazing. That's so. It's so heartwarming to hear that with every pair of earrings that you are putting that you're helping your community, and it's amazing. I think you're such a great example, and to do that with um from the very beginning of your business. I love it. That's what um that's such a good example. So congrats, and I'm so proud of
Yeah,
you. It's amazing.
thank
Um,
you.
okay, so Lily, I
Yeah.
heard for us. Can you tell us what it is?
So it's what is the start of these amazing elephant earrings? What is the letter?
What is the first letter of her amazing elephant earrings? Make sure you write it on your worksheet, Girl Scouts. We have to unscramble that message. So there's your clue from Lily. Yay! Oh my gosh, Lily, you are incredible and such
Thanks.
an inspiring Girl Scout. So, where can our Girl Scout friends living all over the world find you on social media and tell us your website so we can all check out your Lilypad Prints?
Lilypadprints.com is my website.
Amazing. And do you have Instagram?
Yes, Instagram, Facebook.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we'll have to make sure we all follow Lily and check out her amazing earrings. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. And
Yeah.
we'll see you very soon. Okay, thanks, Lily. Everyone say thank you to Lily in the comments. Yay.